Keeping track of everything you need to do can be challenging, but Dola AI makes task management much easier. Whether you're organizing work, school, or personal projects, you can create, update, and complete tasks using simple conversations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage tasks in Dola AI from start to finish. So let's get started. Begin by opening Dola AI on your computer or mobile device and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your reminders, events, and task management features. To create a task, simply type a natural language message in the chat. For example, you could say, "Finish the project report by Friday," or "Buy groceries after work." Yeah, Dola AI will recognize your request and organize it as a task. If needed, include extra information such as a due date, reminder time, priority, or notes. The more details you provide, the easier it becomes to keep your tasks organized and receive timely reminders. Open your task list to see everything you've created. Review upcoming deadlines, completed items, and pending tasks so you always know what needs your attention next. If your plans change, open any task and update its details. Once you finish the task, mark it as completed to keep your list organized and focused on what's still left to do. If a task is no longer necessary, remove it from your list. Regularly deleting outdated tasks helps reduce clutter and keeps your workspace easier to manage. For important tasks, attach reminders so Dola AI can notify you before the deadline. Combining tasks with reminders helps you stay productive and avoid forgetting important responsibilities. And that's how to manage tasks in Dola AI. With just a few simple conversations, you can organize your workload, keep track of deadlines, and stay more productive every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more practical guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.